Hello friends, welcome to Pixel Design Arts, and here we go to understand the topic called multiple transformation. Multiple means plenty or many, more than one. Transformation means to transfer any object, any shape. So totally it means to transfer any shape in a number of times, that is called as multiple transformation. So go to understand the topic. So first of all, here I am. I'm taking Ctrl Shift and new layer. Okay. Then I'm taking the pen tool. P is a shortcut, and here I'm drawing one lip shape. How? See, click 1, 2. Don't leave the click. Just to move around, and you got one curve there. Correct. Then just apply Alt in the midpoint. Yeah. Then go back to original point. Click it. Turn around. So here you got a lip shape. Correct. That's cool. Then what you do, to select this lip shape, we have to apply Ctrl Enter. Then we have to apply any color. So here I am applying the green color, that is called the foreground color green right here. Here alter backspace. Correct? You got it. Now what you do, Ctrl D to deselect this selection. Great. That's done. Now here see. So first step we are going to understand what is the process. Ctrl J is a number 1. Ctrl J stands for to duplicate the object or layer. Ctrl J. So here Ctrl J I have done. What I got? I got a layer 1 copy. The copy of the layer 1. That's great. Then number 2, that is a Ctrl T. Ctrl T to set the center point where of an object at some angle. Okay, let's take the center point with a Ctrl T. Transform. So here I am taking the center in the mid. Yeah, I got it in the mid somewhere. I am taking and taking the set some angle. So here is the angle term, and see guys, here is the angle term, and here I am setting the 30-degree. Cool, that's great. Enter. That's done. Yeah, then apply Alt Shift Ctrl T. Number 3 step. It says that apply Alt Shift Ctrl T to transformation for each time. So here Alt Shift Ctrl T. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alt Shift Ctrl T I am pressing for the number of times, and I am getting a one transformation. Correct. Transformation of the shape. So this is now called as a multiple transformation, where you are taking one center right here. First Ctrl J to duplicate the layer, then Ctrl T to take the center, then Alt Shift Ctrl T with a 30-degree angle. It is repeating the Alt Shift for the 30-degree angle. So this is called as multiple transformation. This concept is called as multiple transformation. I hope you understand this in a better manner.
Thank you for watching my video, friends. If you do like my video, please do comment, like, share, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any query about my videos, then please comment below. I will be there to solve it out. Thank you. Stay connected. Bye.